Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you a new feature in version 10 that allows you to retranslate any existing file with Boost, as long as you have correctly formatted audio. This means that you can choose which jobs to use Boost on after the fact. I'm in Eclipse, and the process of translating a note file that you already have is incredibly simple. It is important that when you wrote the job, the audio compression settings that were used were compatible with Boost. And if you go to Settings, Real-Time Audio Recording, and after selecting Compression, the two options that work with Boost are going to be Opus, or if I scroll up, PCM, at 16.00 kilohertz, 16-bit 109 MB per hour. Either of these settings will work, and it's important that whenever the job was taken, that one of those audio settings were used to record the audio. Otherwise, Boost will not be able to process the audio. As long as your audio is compatible with Boost, all you need to do to utilize Boost on a file you've already written is to go to Translate Notes, hit the Notes button, select the note file you'd like to process, and this will work with either Tran and Edit or Virtual Real-Time. Tran and Edit will allow you to begin editing the file as soon as the translation begins, and you'll be able to see Boost operate as you do so. Boost also works in Virtual Real-Time, and Virtual Real-Time does allow the execution of some macros. However, while Virtual Real-Time is translating, if Eclipse is not the main window, you may get aberrant behavior in other programs, because Eclipse is going to be trying to execute commands. It's generally recommended that you want to choose Tran and Edit, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to press OK to begin the translation. The Boost services begin, and as soon as that connects, you see that my Google light turns green. The file immediately begins translating. I've turned on my confidence scores, and you'll see that as soon as Boost begins hearing audio and processing that audio, the text that it's hearing will appear in the bottom right of the note bar. Here you see the text that Boost is hearing is being compared to the text that has been translated. As Boost processes this information, corrections will be made to the document. As Boost proceeds through the document, you can see that you'll be able to see the Boost cursor moving through the document, and all of the changes that Boost is making will be highlighted in the user text type 8 color. And of course, you can customize that by going to Settings, Display, and choosing User Color 8. And again, I can change the foreground as well as the background color to anything that I'd like so that these changes stand out the way I need them to. I'm going to stop this translation and go to the File Manager of Eclipse. If I expand the job that I just translated, you see that in addition to the regular note file, I now have an _AIB note file. This note file has the same name as the job, except at the end is _AIB. This note file contains all of the information that Boost heard and processed, along with the confidence scores of each word that was heard by Boost, and it's presented in note file format. After you've translated any file with Boost, whether you do it real time or after the fact, an _AIB note file is going to be created. If I were to translate the file again, the same information that was already processed by Boost would be reapplied to that job. If I wanted to change any settings or use a different audio file and process the file using Boost again, I would want to either delete the _AIB note file or rename it so that it's no longer associated with the file. That will allow Eclipse and Boost to create a new _AIB file, which will process the audio and the text using any new settings or new audio that you have provided it. Since you can use Boost either during real time or after a file has already been translated or written, you can make sure that you get the most out of Boost by applying it to the jobs where it's needed the most. If you had an unexpected expert witness or new preceding contents that your dictionary isn't prepared for, Boost has your back. And again, in order to use Boost on a file that already exists, all you have to do is go to Translate, Notes, select the note file, make sure that Boost is checked, choose either Tran and Edit, which is our suggestion, or Virtual Real Time, and then press OK. Boost will automatically enable for the job and apply corrections where it's deemed appropriate. Call Account Services today to opt into Boost. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.